Delta X-ray Echo ground, contact tower 125.0 when you're ready.
Hamilton Tower, Delta X-ray Echo on Bravo, holding short 06 ready.
Delta X-ray Echo, Hamilton Tower, line up runway 06.
Lining up runway 06, Delta X-ray Echo.
Delta X-ray Echo Tower, not above 1,800 feet for now. Right hand turn is approved, wind 030 at 5 knots, clear takeoff runway 06.
Clear for takeoff, runway 06, not above 1,800, Delta X-ray Echo. Ready?
Yep,
here we go. And we're up.
Delta X-ray Echo Tower, you can make the right turn.
Right turn, Delta X-ray Echo. So he's only cleared us to 1,800 feet, which is this right here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just level off at 1,800 and see what he says.
Delta X-ray Echo Tower, your altitude restriction is cancelled. Report leaving the zone.
Oh.
Delta X-ray Echo. All right, so we're gonna keep climbing.
November Oscar Papa Tower, exit Charlie, contact ground 1.6.
Yeah.
131.6, November Oscar Papa.
Alright, here's 2,500. I'll just level it off.
Golf November Oscar Papa, Hamilton ground, where's your parking? November Oscar Papa, Hamilton ground, where are you parking today?
Answer the tower.
Oh. Charlie Alpha, house showdown 06.
Hamilton Tower, Delta X-ray Echo, clearing the zone to the south.
Delta X-ray Echo, Hamilton Tower, surveillance service with Hamilton terminates, change on the frequency. Be advised, Cayuga pair drops are active at this time.
Delta X-ray Echo will keep in mind the pair drops.
This is the Grand River, right?
Yep. So my house is actually on the left here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see. I see the school, so your house is...
Echo Victor Sierra Tower, report leaving the
It's
zone.
literally like, you see the circles?
Yeah.
I'm the first one, I'm that top one.
That's the one with the red
Yeah.
roof?
Yep.
Caledonia is really small from the air.
Yeah.
Echo Victor Sierra Tower, if I didn't say so already, your altitude restriction is cancelled.
Exiting.
You hear that noise?
Yeah, what is that?
Alien. Area 51.
Where's Simcoe? The one on the left or the right?
On the right. It'll be right somewhere down there.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we'll see all those peanuts plantation. Oh, that's Lake Erie.
Yeah, that is Lake Erie, yep.
And on the other side is Cleveland.
Yeah. This is our practice area.
Because there's nothing, not busy.
Yeah, no. And there's lots of fields out here.
Yeah.
We had an engine failure, there's lots of fields to land in. Which we won't.
Fort Dover.
It's dead now. No one's out here.
Yeah.
Summer's over. Weather's getting cooler.
Wow, this is a nice view.
Yeah.
I like this. I want to stay here, up here.
Charlie, and thanks for all your help today. Have a
Hey, still got some people on the boats here.
Yeah.
How is the speed? Where's the speed?
What's the speed? Right here.
Oh,
right here.
okay.
So we're at about 110 miles per hour.
We look like we're not moving.
I know. It's funny. It doesn't look like that fast.
Well, look at this house. What is this? Right below us.
Could be a mansion or a cottage.
Which one there? The gray one?
No, it's right underneath you now. You can't see it anymore.
Oh, yeah.
It was huge.
It's only 3:30.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll be back and be like, oh, back so soon? I'll be like, yeah, maybe. You want to feel out the controls?
This one?
Yep. You're flying already.
Oh, that's nice.
Yep.
Oh, we're turning to the left now.
Yep, we're going left.
But the
That
wing-
over
the
there,
wing-
that used to be an airport.
Oh,
A little thing there?
Yeah, they used to have an airport here. It's funny when you start flying what you can see.
well, you see, yeah.
What you see, and you never knew what was there. So I'll fly just along the airport there so you can see it.
Man, all the road is all damaged now.
There's
Yeah.
no damage. All the weeds are growing.
Yeah.
But you can still see the outline.
So I'm going to call the tower now, tell them that we're coming back in.
All right.
Hamilton Tower, Cessna 172 Golf, Delta X-ray Echo with Echo.
Delta X-ray Echo Tower identified 13 miles south of southwest of the field, 2,500 feet. What are your intentions?
We'd like a full stop landing, Delta X-ray Echo.
Delta X-ray Echo Tower, roger, runway 06, winds calm, altimeter 3013, cleared right base, runway 06.
Cleared right base, runway 06, Delta X-ray Echo. So make sure that your seatbelts are nice and fastened tight. Hamilton Tower, Delta X-ray Echo is establishing right base, runway 06. Full stop.
Delta X-ray Echo Tower, winds calm, cleared land, runway 06.
Clear land, runway 06, Delta X-ray Echo. So we're going to turn towards that runway and we're going to land. That's the one we departed on. There's the first set of flaps. Perfect.
Yeah, very smooth. Yeah, they're landing less than 747.
Delta X-ray Echo Tower, 180 is approved, exit on Bravo, contact ground 121.6.
180 approved, exit Bravo, 121.6 for the ground, Delta X-ray Echo. Hamilton ground, Delta X-ray Echo on Bravo for jetport.
Delta X-ray Echo on the ground, taxi Bravo, Delta, your discretion.
Bravo, Delta discretion, jetport. Delta X-ray Echo, thanks and have a good day.
Take care.
How am I going to park this thing?
Yeah, we have to push it back?
We might have to, yeah. Because it's going to be too tight for me to
go around.
Yeah. Yeah, we could, there's three of us, we can push it. Oh yeah, that's definitely tight.
Yeah,
That
the
is way
wings
too
might touch.
Yeah. Let me just train this.
Hamilton ground, Charlie Golf, November